Tung 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 tung. Perhatian, Bobby Chris ngobrol segera dimulai. Siapkan diri kamu untuk menerima informasi edukatif yang asik dari Bobby dan Chris. Cari posisi dan kondisi yang senyaman mungkin untuk mendengarkan episode kali ini. Selamat mendengarkan. Dung 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 dung.
Selamat datang di Bobbypedia Bedtime Story. Segmen khusus Bobby akan ngobrol lebih banyak sama Sobat Boci sambil belajar bahasa Inggris bareng-bareng. Segmen ini muncul setiap minggu pertama di setiap bulannya. Share juga ke teman-teman Sobat Boci yang ingin belajar bahasa Inggris juga ya. Nggak terasa ya, ini sudah masuk bulan November, jadi tinggal 2 bulan lagi menuju 2024.
Ya berasa kayak kemarin ya, ini 2023 nih.
Ya nggak juga sih Bobby, kan Januari sama November jauh gitu.
Tiap orang kan ngerasanya beda-beda, Chris. Kalau Chris ngerasain lama ya Chris yang ngerasain lama. Kalau Bobby yang ngerasain cepet ya suka-suka Bobby lah.
Aduh, kok ngajak ribut mulai di awal episode. Biar yang ribut di daerah-daerah lain aja, kita mah tenang-tenang di sini.
Wah Chris berarti dukung daerah sana yang ribut-ribut berarti ya. Wah apa itu Chris. Sobat Boci jangan ditiru ya, Chris ngajarin tak bener ini.
Aduh tambah serba salah lagi. Udah ini kan segmennya Bobby nih, Bedtime Story. Nah kasih bocoran dikit dong, ini mau bahas apa?
Mau bahas itu barusan apa itu, Halloween.
Halloween kan udah lewat, peringatannya 31 Oktober. Ini kan sudah November, kok bahas yang udah lewat?
Ya belum jauh lah Chris, kan masih hype istilahnya begitu. Jadi masih bisa dibahas lah.
Tapi kan beberapa bilang kalau Halloween bukan budaya kita, kok malah dirayain ini.
Kan bukan dirayain, ini cuma diceritakan gitu loh. Kasih informasi ke Sobat Boci, budaya Halloween itu seperti apa gitu loh. Biar yang lain gak tahu, jadi tahu gitu.
Oh iya ya, cuma mastiin aja sih. Bobby kapan sih ceritanya?
Ya gimana bisa cerita terus tanya-tanya terus dari.
Bener juga ya. Oke deh, langsung aku kasih kesempatan buat Bobby jelasin ya. Silakan.
Bobby akan membacakan sebuah cerita berjudul The Witch Who Was Frightened of Halloween dari vedantu.com. Ceritanya ditaruh di link yang ada di deskripsi di bawah. Selamat mendengarkan. The Witch Who Was Frightened of Halloween. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Katie. Katie was 7 years old and she shared a wonderful home with her mother, father, and a dog named Muffin. Except for Muffin, who was an Eddie witch, a dog who cast spells, they were all witches. It wasn't all bad being a witch. All mothers had to twitch their noses and the cleaning will be done. With a wave of his stick, Dad could cut the lawn by himself. Muffin's paws could click and a few dog treats would fall from the sky. They even told Katie a little bit of magic. She had figured out how to make her homework do itself, and she could tidy her room simply by twitching her ear. However, there was one thing Katie disliked, and that was Halloween. When the leaves began to fall from the trees and the nights became longer, all of the children in her school and neighborhood became incredibly excited about Halloween. They created outfits with long sharp noses and spots, as well as nasty black hats and broomsticks. Witches are not like that at all, Katie told her friends. My mother appears to be pretty beautiful. When the other girls heard this, they burst out laughing. They laugh. Katie thinks she's a witch. Like a witch, she is ugly and horrible. Katie was sad and crying when she returned home that day. Everyone hates witches, and they especially detest them around Halloween, she said to her mother when she was asked what happened. Her mother tried to explain that while some people dislike witches, they could be useful at times. Katie, on the other hand, was still sad. Katie refused to participate in a trick-or-treat tour of the street organized by the girls from her school on Halloween night. Her mother, on the other hand, advised her to leave because a witch cannot possibly stay on Halloween. She said something in Katie's ear in a low voice. When Katie joined the other girls, several of them began laughing at her. They joked that Katie does not require to dress up because she is a witch already. She was ashamed, so she chose to remain silent. From the first house, they got lemon juice. The second contained a jumbo pack of sweets. Third included an excess of crackers. And the fourth contained a massive packet of chocolate biscuits. But there was a man named Mr. Bones who lived in the fifth house. He disliked the children. He didn't see why he should give them anything to eat. When they knocked on the door, he shouted, "Buzz off, you foolish kids!" "Trick or treat!" the girls cried. Mr. Bones squeezed his face with a nasty smile and said, "Well, I believe I'll take a trick, but one of us is a true witch." Amelia, the eldest of the girls, said, "Yes, yes," says the speaker. They all cried out, "Kathy is a true witch." "That's the stupidest thing I've ever heard," Mr. Bones said, laughing. "Go for it, Kathy. Let's test if you are actually a witch," Amelia said. As a result, Kathy took a step ahead. Kathy recalled her mother whispering something in her ear. It was a special spell. All the girls gasped in amazement as Kathy spoke those magical words and wiggled her ear. Mr. Bones was suddenly no longer Mr. Bones. He was a small brown hamster with fluffy fur. He was spinning on a wheel within the cage. The girls all burst out laughing. Kathy leaned against the bars of the cage. "Is it enjoyable to be a hamster?" With a squeak and a shake of his head, the tiny creature expressed his displeasure with the situation. Kathy spun the wheel in such a way that it had to keep going faster and faster. Mr. Bones was changed back into a man after she spoke the magic words once more. He answered quickly and hurriedly, "I'll grab you some snacks, girls." He came back with a huge quantity of soft drinks, cookies, chocolate bars, and even a new Barbie DVD for all the girls. He said, "Please return the following year, girls. I'll bring you even better stuff." He returned inside, a nervous expression on his face. Everyone heard that there was a real witch out for trick or treat, so everyone gave out more cookies and sweets than normal, as well as some gifts. Kathy quickly went to the top of her class. "After all," she said when she came home, "being a witch isn't that bad, and I think I'm going to love Halloween from now on." Bobby akan membacakan beberapa kosakata sulit di cerita tadi beserta artinya. Dengarkan baik-baik ya. Pertama adalah twitch, yaitu kata kerja, artinya menggerakkan sesuatu. Kalau di cerita tadi kayak hidungnya digerakkan gitu ya. Lalu berikutnya nasty, kata sifat yang berarti jahat. Burst out adalah kata kerja, artinya meledak. Dalam konteks cerita tadi itu tertawa sekali gitu ya. Tadi anak-anak yang perempuan itu sampai meledak-ledak ketawanya. Dites adalah kata kerja, artinya membenci atau tidak suka. Kemudian ashamed adalah kata sifat yang berarti malu. Lalu ada dua kata tadi, excess dan massive, yang sama-sama artinya kata benda. Keduanya punya arti yang sama, yaitu jumlah yang banyak. Buzz off adalah kata kerja untuk menyuruh orang pergi. Crease adalah kata kerja, yaitu mengkerutkan. Gasp adalah kata kerja bentuk lampau, berarti terkesima atau kaget. Fluffy adalah kata sifat, artinya punya bulu yang lebat begitu ya. Bulunya tebal. Lean against adalah kata kerja bentuk lampau, artinya bersandar pada sesuatu. Squeak adalah kata benda, berarti suara dejitan seperti tikus. Lalu ada dua kata yang mirip artinya, tapi artinya sedikit berbeda, yaitu quickly and hurriedly. Sama-sama merupakan kata keterangan kerja, masing-masing artinya adalah cepat dan bergegas. Terakhir ada kata girls, kata benda bentuk jamak, artinya anak-anak perempuan. Nah, gimana menurut Sobat Poci soal cerita tadi? Tulis pendapat Sobat Poci di kolom komentar ya, biar bisa jadi lebih baik lagi. Seperti Kathy yang ditolak oleh teman-temannya karena berbeda, tapi saat dia percaya diri dengan jati dirinya sebagai penyihir, Kathy jadi berani dan bahagia. Sobat Poci juga bisa seperti itu. Pastikan kamu lebih baik dari kemarin.